everybody, guess what time it is? It is time for me to share with you guys my thrift store book haul. I have been really loving going on the hunt. I've kind of slowed down a little bit because now the books that I'm seeing are a lot of the books that I already have, which is fine with me, but I am super excited to get a bookshelf. Sometime in the near couple months, I'm going to get a bookshelf for just my books. Like, I have a small one right now and that's already filled. It is filled to the brim, but I actually want to get a bookshelf like right next here, which I'm going to. I'm just waiting to see what's going on over the next couple months. But I'm here to share with you guys all the books that I've gotten just from thrifting. I absolutely love it. So I always go to Goodwill and a St. Vincent's every Thursday. Every time I go to couponing at Walmart on Thursdays, I always go to those two stores, and then whenever I'm in town or anywhere I'm near a spot where I can just quickly stop and go. We went to one St. Vincent's store and it was a complete joke. Like, it's not in my area and it was like a local town, and I could not believe like the selection they had. And I'm like, I'm so glad, like, where I live in a major city, the capital, Wisconsin, and there's so much variety to choose from. But I'm gonna share with you guys everything that I have found. So here we have the King of Battle and Blood. This was on my TBR list. If you're not sure what TBR means, it basically means to be read. I think this is a Kindle Unlimited book, but I thought I really like it. I really love the way some of these books feel. Like, I just love the way these feel. But this was $2.29. I got this at St. Vincent. I don't even think the person read it, and if they did, it was a one and done. So I thought this would be a great book for me to read. It is on my list. I have read a couple Tessa Bailey books and I really liked them. She's a very easy read. Not a lot of like smut or whatever. It's just like, I mean, some of her stuff's just quick and easy, but I have read, I think, at least two of them, I think, 2 or 3 of her books. But I found this one at Goodwill. This one was $1.99, but this is Need Me. I know I can't get these on, I don't think this one's on Kindle Unlimited, but this one kind of looks like a cute little one to read in the fall. I'm going to have to see what it's about, but this Christmas I'm going to read all Christmas books in the middle of Christmas. I'm going to try to. But this one was a cute little book that I found. I saw this one the other day at, where did I see this? At Goodwill. I got this for 99 cents. Now this is Beautiful Creatures, and I really love the book. Like, the book just really caught my eye. Now this is number 2, and I do know there is a series or a movie about it, and one of you guys I think mentioned it a long time ago, but I actually do want to read the book, so I gotta find the first one before I read it. Now I have found it, but I never got it because it was alright, but I do know that I need to get, there's 3 of them in there. So there's Beautiful Creatures, Beautiful Darkness, and Beautiful Chaos. So Beautiful Creatures is what I want to find. But I thought this is so cute for 99 cents. You can't go wrong with that. I found this one a long time ago. Sylvia Date. Now this book has had its day, but I was kind of reading some of this and this looked like it was kind of my story. I haven't read any of her books, but like 2 of her books are on my TBR. But this one is called Bared to You, a Crossfire Novel. He possessed me, he obsessed me. And I'm like, oh, okay. And then I was reading like the little story thing, and I'm like, this sounds good. So I definitely got this. I got this for 99 cents. And then I got Before I Fall. Now I have watched the movie. I know it's on Netflix. I don't know if it's still on Netflix, but I really like it. It's about a girl who keeps doing the same day over and over and over again. And it is kind of a sad story, but I thought I want to read it. So I got this at Goodwill for $1.99. So pretty excited to read that. And the book of the condition is okay. So I got that. I found this book at Goodwill for $1.99. It is The Spanish Love Deception. I don't know if it's her, but there's another book. Is it her? There's another book that I want to read that reminds me of this. I think it's by the same person, but this looked very interesting, and I love the feel of this book, so I thought for $1.99 we're going to go ahead and get this. And some of these books that I don't like, I'm going to put in my little free library. And then we have I'll get to that in just a second. We have the Catching Fire. Now I ended up getting the Hunger Games one. I got it at the library for 50 cents during their book sale, and I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna get that one. They didn't have any more, but then I saw this one and I'm like, oh, I really like the iridescent one. So this one is the second one. The only one I need now is Mockingjay. I got this at St. Vincent's for $1.09, so I was pretty excited for that. But I found this the other day, and this is the fourth book of the Hunger Games. I know it's like years later, but this is the Ballads of Songbirds and Snakes. I'm like, man, this is kind of new. Like, I don't remember how long it came out, but the movie came out not that long ago, so I'm like, yes, I want to read that. So I got that. I did go to my book fair, and I only got 2 books. I thought I got a third one, but I'm not seeing a third one. But I ended up getting a Bridgerton book. I have read 3 of them so far, and they are so good. This is Francesca's story. So I only need 3 left of this series. I've read one that I don't have, but there's 2 more. And Kindle Unlimited only has the first 3 on Kindle Unlimited, and then the 4th and up are all you have to like buy or purchase. So I'm always on the hunt to find the rest of the series. Now the only thing that makes me mad is this one's a little bit smaller than the other ones that I have, but that is okay. But I really, really love the Bridgerton stories. I really love it. The next one I'm reading is number 4, which is Colin's story. So pretty good, pretty good. So far I've read Daphne, Anthony, and Benedict. But so far the Bridgerton is really good. I really, really, really love it. So I got that for 50 cents at the book sale. And then I got Me Before You. Now I got this, I just read this not that long ago, but I got it anyways because number 1, it was 50 cents. And I wanted to put it in my free little library because I'm like, this is a good book and I'm pretty excited to put it in my free little library. So I got that intentionally for the free little library, but good movie, good movie, good movie. My neighbor gave me this book. She said her friend gave it to her, so she gave it to me. The Things We Leave Unfinished. Now Rebecca Yarros, she does sing, or she does write The Fourth Wing and The Fire, I can't think of it. I've read both of those books. I give both of those books like a 4. They're just really long, but I have another one of her books that I want to read, and my neighbor's like, okay, you can read it. So I'm like, okay, we'll read it. So she gave me this, and then I can give this away when I'm done reading it. So that's what I plan on doing with that. I'm still on a hunt to find my kids' books. Now, for Diary of a Wimpy Kid, we have the whole entire season. My son has the whole entire season just from thrifting, and I don't know if I've gotten anything recently. He takes them right as I get them, so I got the whole entire season. The only thing is we need a couple more Dogman books, and then we need a couple more Captain Underpants books. So as I find them, I'm getting them. So I got him this one for 99 cents. I don't know where I got it, but I got it for him. There's just a little bit of scratch marks here, but for 99 cents you can't go wrong with that. And then my daughter just keeps collecting all these dork diaries. I think she's got like 4 of them now. She's only 5, but I'm like, she wants to collect them, and as I see them, I will get them. So again, I got this for like a dollar. My mom's like, why are you buying those books for her now? Because like, I'm really into reading, and maybe she might be a really good reader when she learns how to read. So you can't go wrong with that. Then, you guys, I found my favorite book. So like I said, I go to St. Vincent's every Thursday, and I get there right as the lady's putting stuff out, and I was so excited. I saw this book. I saw this book in her pile, and I'm just like, oh my god. Like, I did a video, haul video a couple months ago, that any Penelope Douglas book that I find of them, I will buy. I will buy. Most of their books are all Kindle Unlimited. There's a couple that are not, but I have read pretty much all of their books. There's like a couple that I still haven't finished or not, but this is one of the very first books that I read of them. I think this is the first one I read of theirs, and I absolutely love it. Now, it's kind of messed up. It is kind of messed up. I'm going to tell you guys, I am obsessed with this book. I have it on Kindle Unlimited. Well, it is available on Kindle Unlimited, but I did buy the book. And then since I bought it, I got an audiobook of it for $1.99. So right now, I'm actually doing walks every single day, and I've been listening to the book while I go for a walk. And then I found this book. Like, I really want it. I'm actually going to get a tattoo barcode of the book on my wrist. soon. But I'm super excited. So if you guys want something like dark, it's about this girl, her parents die / commit suicide, so she has to go stay with her step uncle and her step cousins, but they're not really her steps anymore because her parents are dead and like she never knew about it. So she yeah, and I just love it. I love it. It's dark. Some people don't like it, some people love it. This is going to be a book that I will recommend to anybody who likes kind of this stuff. But I am so excited, and it's the feel of the book that I absolutely love. So I can't believe I found this. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. But yes, any book if I find of Penelope Douglas, I will purchase because I'm so excited. But I got this for $2.09. And that's why I love it, because I had patience, and I'm like, I found the Holy Grail. I found the Holy Grail. So that was everything that I got. I'm on 114 books for the year, you guys. 114 books that I've read so far this year. And I've been really trying to. Right now I'm reading a physical book, and I just can't get into it, so it's taking me a little bit longer. But usually these books I can read in a couple of days. So yeah, but if you guys love this little thrift store haul, make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.